In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Edge PDF to a normal PDF. If you've ever found yourself opening a PDF in Microsoft Edge and wanting to make it a more standardized format that's friendly across all PDF viewers, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that all your highlights, annotations, and drawings remain intact in the newly created PDF file. First things first, start by opening the PDF document you wish to convert in Microsoft Edge. This is typically done by simply right-clicking the PDF file and selecting Microsoft Edge as your preferred program. Once your file is open, you'll want to look for the print function. There are two ways you can access this feature. You can either press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, which is the universal shortcut for printing, or you can click on the printer icon directly in the Microsoft Edge interface. Either method will work, so choose whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you open the print dialog, take a moment to focus on the printer options that appear. Here you'll want to select Microsoft Print to PDF. In some cases, depending on your system configuration or updates, you might see the option Save as PDF. Both options will serve the same purpose, so you can choose either one. With that selection out of the way, your next step is to click Print. It may seem counterintuitive because you aren't actually printing on paper, but this action triggers the process of creating a new PDF file from the original document. After clicking Print, you'll be prompted to choose a location where you'd like to save your new PDF. This is a crucial step if you want to keep your files organized. I recommend selecting a folder where you can easily find the file later, and it might be helpful to rename the file if necessary, especially if you're working with multiple versions. What you've essentially done with these steps is create a flattened PDF document. This means that any highlights, drawings, or notes that you've added are now permanently embedded into the new file. This flattened version ensures compatibility across all PDF viewers, meaning you won't lose important annotations when switching devices or software. And just like that, you've successfully converted your Microsoft Edge PDF into a more universally compatible format. This streamlined PDF is now saved on your device, ready for use with any PDF viewer of your choice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it sparked any questions or if you're curious about other tech tips, feel free to reach out. Have a great day exploring the versatile world of PDFs.